Can you imagine a world where clean water systems are not just a luxury but a standard? How might these systems be improved to ensure a safer, healthier future? Today we're delving into the pivotal role Computational Fluid Dynamics services, or CFD, play in enhancing our water systems. Consider the case of a major water treatment facility that was struggling with inefficient water flow. Through the application of CFD modeling, precise three-dimensional models of the water system were created. This allowed engineers to identify and address areas in need of improvement, effectively revolutionizing the facility's performance. Similarly, another water system was experiencing pressure dips and turbulence, leading to significant operational challenges. By employing CFD analysis, the trouble spots were not only located, but solutions for enhancements were suggested, resulting in a far more efficient system. Further, there's an instance where a new water system was in the design phase. To ensure the utmost efficiency, CFD optimization was applied. This process optimized the layout of pipes, pumps, and other components, ultimately leading to a design that maximized efficiency. Lastly, let's not forget the power of visualization. In one case, a complex water system was difficult to understand and improve due to its intricacies. However, with CFD visualization, an in-depth representation of the system was created. This visual aid provided a more comprehensive understanding of the water flow, highlighting areas that could be enhanced. These cases are just a few examples of how CFD services have transformed water systems, proving that it is a crucial tool in clean water engineering. By enabling the creation of accurate models, highlighting inefficiencies, optimizing designs, and providing detailed visualizations, CFD services pave the way for improved water systems. In conclusion, CFD services in clean water engineering are not just important, they're essential. They provide the tools needed to understand, analyze, and improve our water systems, ultimately leading to safer, cleaner water for everyone. So, as we look towards the future of clean water systems, remember the transformative power of CFD services. They are a beacon of hope, guiding us towards a future where clean water is not just a luxury, but a standard for all.